still finding it difficult to get views or get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Guys, after the end of this video, I promise you're going to start getting a lot of views from YouTube. There are some settings you need to set on your YouTube channel. That is why you need to get thousands of subscribers and start getting thousands of views, even millions of views from YouTube. Then you start making a lot of money out of YouTube. So guys, just go to your studio settings, go to studio. After you click on it, go to your YouTube studio dashboard. So from that YouTube studio dashboard, I'll be teaching you this secret you need to get to make a lot of money out of YouTube and start getting thousands of views from YouTube. So next, you go to what we call settings. You see your settings under this area. You click on settings, then you go to where we call channel. Click on the channel, then you go to where we call keyword. Make sure you are setting some keyword that is correlating to your the niche of your channel. You can see from this place I have how to grow YouTube channel. That is what I set as my keyword under my channel here. We have the long tail keyword and short tail keyword. You can use the short tail or the long tail keyword on your channel under this area. Then you go to advanced settings. Go to your advanced settings. Make sure your account is set to what? No, set this channel as not made for kid. Set the channel as not made for kids. So guys, don't make sure the channel is not set for kid. And the last part of this video is called feature eligibility. Click on the feature eligibility. Make sure that this standard feature is enabled, intermediate feature is enabled, and advanced features is enabled. So if these three settings is set up on your channel and you are still getting issue with your channel, how to grow your channel, you can contact my number or you go to my about my channel, then you pick my number. We have a team called 2Pack. This 2Pack team is where we grow YouTube channel. We have many way of even making money out of YouTube. We have investors coming to us make money out of YouTube. So guys, before I call it a day, give this video a thumbs up, go to that comment section, react on this video, and don't forget to do what? Click on subscribe.